नमस्ते अयोध्या, मैं हूं अमन गुप्ता और मैं मौजूद हूं अभी अयोध्या में, जहां पे हो रहा है राम के नाम पे मैराथन। ये मैराथन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्या है इसकी खासियत, इसके बारे में हम जानेंगे और बात करेंगे। हमारे साथ मौजूद है इस फाउंडेशन की जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं गीता जी, उनसे बात करेंगे और जानेंगे इस मैराथन के बारे में। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस टाइम। क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम गीता सिंह है। मैं स्त्री इंडिया स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशन की प्रेसिडेंट हूँ और हमने कीड़ा भारती के साथ मिलकर रन फॉर राम इनिशिएटिव का 4th एडिशन जो है वो हम कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं आज कुछ ही घंटों में। और जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, सुबह से मतलब रात से हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं। रात के 2 बजे से हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं और लास्ट 10 डेज से इसको 3 महीने से हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, बट लास्ट 10 डेज से हम लोग एग्रेसिवली इस पे काम कर रहे हैं। और मैराथन तो बहुत अच्छी जा रही है और पहली बार हमने 42 किलोमीटर फर्स्ट एडिशन में कराई थी। सेकंड और थर्ड में हम नहीं करा पाए थे, लेकिन 4th एडिशन में हमने 42, 21, 10 और 3 किलोमीटर फन रन फॉर द फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स करवाई।
When we talk of the aim of this event, what is the aim of this event?
So particularly every marathon has their own taste, own flavor. They come up with their own ideology and USP. But for this particular Run for Ram, marathon, there is like you need to connect, with spiritually before begin with this health journey, fitness journey. So we are saying if your mental health is good, your emotional health is good, and you are spiritually connect with the Prabhu Shri Ram, because Ram is the symbol. Prabhu Shri Ram is the symbol of discipline. He is one of the highest ideological person which we think for. So you can definitely gonna get your best health and definitely good peace of mind and good physique plus and spiritually connect if you participate in Run for Ram in Ayodhya.
Can you tell me about this title of this, Run for Ram? Why is it Run for Ram only?
Because see, there is lots of marathon in the world, so every marathon has, as I said, their USP in their particular name. Few marathon naming with their cities, with their concept, and because it is happened every year in Ayodhya, that's why we name it Run for Ram. And because we know ki Ram is always like a international figure, and now because he connected, because he born in Ayodhya, so definitely there is nothing better than this name for the Ayodhya Marathon.
When we talk of this event, it is the 4th edition. So earlier we had already 3. So how was the experience this year?
This year is literally amazing. We are finding literally good response, because in initially three starting marathon there was some difficulties to inviting people here, and they used to hesitate to come for Run for Ram. But this year we got a really amazing, you can say, response from the people side. They participated, they registered with us. It not only Indian people, lots of foreigner also participated and registered with us. And we at the same time, where today in the Ayodhya we are doing physical run, we are doing the virtual run also in a different part of a state and out of India also. In the same time they are running for with the name of Run for Ram.
Can you tell me about the basically the grand prize?
Yeah. Oh, so entire, it is a total amount is 15 lakh rupees. Okay. So it's categorized that 15 lakh rupees we divided in 42, 21 and 10 and 3, and definitely we are giving the finisher medals and all and everything, and that prize too.
Okay. Is it a long-term vision?
Yes, definitely. It's a when we thought of this particular marathon, so we thought of that will take this to the next level. Any of the marathon not get famous in a year, 2 year. It's a process. It's a gradual process. It's always take time. But yes, one day in coming years, 10 year, 12 year, 14 years, the way Prabhu Shri Ram came to Ayodhya in the 14 year, so maybe in the 14 year you will find that Run for Ram marathon is the one of the top 10 list in the world, that sort of famous marathon. We want to register that, so that is we are aiming for. Yeah.
Last question, ma'am. What's the future plan for this Ram for marathon?
Okay. So future marathon is this. We are not. It's not going to be only marathon. This in fourth. We are not. This is not going to be only marathon. Somehow we are planning to take this marathon with some concept where we are going to run the campaign, where we are going to tell to the people कि apart from the run, you need to connect somewhere with the God, somewhere with the spiritual connect you required, so that you can take care of yourself. In these days, as you see, lots of Gen Zs, they are finding in depression, anxiety and such kind of things, but we are with this kind of concept, somehow we can connect with them, with the God, Prabhu Shri Ram. You don't worry, you don't need to worry, you have the God strength. If you have, in your heart, in your soul, if you find that God is with me, so you can do better than anything. I think you can win any battle of the life. And definitely we want, there is a lots of people, those who are drug addict, those who are in these days and in depression and all and everything, for them also this run for Ram is going to be amazing. We are going to send that message ki be part of this, be connect with the Prabhu Shri Ram, be connect with the Ayodhya, and with this you are going to be a complete person who is going to be get good health, good wealth, good mental being and good soul, definitely.
Any message for people of Ayodhya?
I think Ayodhya people are lovely, and we are so happy to part of this Run for Ram marathon in Ayodhya. They supported us like anything, and I want to specially thank you to Ram Trust Mandir, because of their support we are able to make it our refreshment packets for our runner, and their blessing is there. So that is the thing. And for Ayodhya people, you are lovely, you are amazing, and let's rock next year. Let's make this more bigger and bigger and bigger. That's it. Jai Shri Ram.